Sometimes you got to improvise. So I needed to add some soil to this bed right here that's all potatoes because I didn't build it high enough. That's about 12 inches, uh, because you can't see the edge below the grass there, but it's about 12 inches down because each of those are 4-inch strips. But I realize I'm going to need some more space because these plants have grown pretty tall and I still have probably a good 60 days, 50 to 60 days before these should be ready. So I was walking around, picking up pieces of scrap wood that I have and thinking about how I can attach those, and I realized I had a quick fix. I had ordered a couple of trees. The trees came, the box was large, so I improvised. And that's one of the things that you learn in this hobby. Things pop up and you just have to use what you have sometimes. So I made a little border using that cardboard, and now I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to use some straw and some soil. So let's see what that looks like when I'm done. And here's what I mean by you have to improvise. So check this out. This is what I did with the potato bed. I needed to add some soil. I did add it, but when I looked at it, it still wasn't quite enough. So what I did, I remember that the folks have been doing this. Hill, I usually don't. I usually just fill in enough soil, but these grew so big and so quickly that I knew I needed to add. So what I did is I hilled. Now let's get in on that. So if you look, you will see the burrows in between. And I realized that that is going to be, if you look, you'll see the burrows in between. And I realized that's going to be very helpful because the water is going to actually get down to the level of the roots that are planted. By roots, I mean the seed potatoes, because that's what they are, right? So I think this might work out well. And I can also hill up again. So this is just improvising. I needed to add some more soil. So I used some cardboard from a box from some trees that I ordered in order to bring it up from 12 inches to, let's see, that's about another inch or two. But with the hilling, it actually looks like a lot more soil. We'll see how this goes. Anyway, gardening lesson, learn to improvise. Take care.